2001 Honda Insight is going for sale. Here I'm gonna give you a quick walk around. Let's start it up and we'll go for a little drive because I need to move it out of this space. It has a clean title, 99,000 miles. Inspection in Pennsylvania is good until I still have 5 months to go. Whereas the front bumper is not in the best of shape, but because of it I didn't feel bad to put fog lights. They're really good. Comes with 2 keys. Doors work, the mirrors, everything works. 0 issues with it. I have installed this big stereo. Here it goes. That's 99,000 miles. Here's this. One of the concerns is that the switch doesn't go down. It does not go up automatically, it only goes down automatically. The lights on, off, and then the fog lights. So let me come around and show you everything with the lights on again. It does have a small dent over here. It's on the door as well. I have another door if you want to get it. We'll include it for free. The button on the trunk works. This is not gonna go with the sale. This is probably not gonna go with the sale. But all of these things are coming with the sale as well. These will stay. These are the extra brake cylinders on the back. Actually just one, but the brakes were being flushed recently. I just need to clean it up a little bit and it'll be good to go. Heat works, everything works. No problems with the hybrid battery, it works great. Let's put it into reverse because I have cars over there on that side of the driveway. Just a little snow, nothing major. Yeah. Regen works, everything works. And now let's turn off this whole thing. So now when I'm gonna stop, it will shut off. I guess it's not yet because it's cold. It is very cold outside. Alright. Yeah, the stereo comes with CarPlay, Android Auto. CarPlay is wireless, the Android Auto has to be wired. So this is the cable that I use for it. And I guess it's a little close. Let's open the trunk, hood, I mean. So recently I did valve adjustments and all the transmission, the engine and the dog bone, all these mounts were replaced with the brand new original ones. Here I have the sticker of transmission oil, which I also replaced. If you want to have extra set of oil and filter to replace on a CVT, all the oil that I've been using, and the bolt size, the washer size, and kind of gave the warning not to tighten it too much. The oil has been changed as well, just a few miles ago, not even. I haven't driven since I did the oil change. So there it is.